Hello guys, my name is Pushkar Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you about Medra. So let's start with Medra. So what is Medra? The Medra is the medical dictionary for regulatory activities. So in simple word, the Medra is the dictionary which contain all the medical terms which is required in the medicinal field. So it contain a drug, it contain various disease, it contain terms related to the disease, particular activity or medicine or medicinal product or instrument which are used in the which are instrument in the medical field. So medical the Medra is very important because the in globally in globally there are various language which is used by various people, and their local term is different from another in for example, in Japan the medical term for flu is different, and in America the medical term for flu is different. So to avoid confusion and easy access to all information around globally, that's why Medra is created, because it is created because of to make a standard become standard in the medical field, so that anyone from anywhere world he can pass the information, and anywhere in the world people can decode it. So let's start with the history of the Medra. So in 1990 the Medra was firstly introduced, and the number of standard international medical terminology. In 1990 it is not called Medra, it is called no standard international medical terminology. So in 1993, by the Working Party of Europe regulatory authorities and industry representative reviewed and amended the United Kingdom terminology, and they called it Medra. So in 1993 the term Medra was introduced, and it is passed around globally. So in October 1994, the ICH International Conference of Harmonization adopted Medra's version 1.0 on the basis of international terminology. In 1997, the ICH agreed the version 2.0 of the Medra, and it is termed as the medical dictionary for regulatory activities. So in 1998, ICH Assembly established the ICH Medra Management Committee. So in after that, in 1990, Japanese maintenance organization JMO was established, and March in 1990, the initial version of Medra version 2.0 was available for the Medra and the Japanese version from foreign Japanese people. So in all around in so in the year from 1990, in 1990 to 1999, and up to date, the Medra is constantly developed and updated, and new terminology has been introduced and has placed in the Medra. So let's go to the Medra hierarchy. So the structure of the Medra is very logical. There are 5 levels to the Medra hierarchy, arranged from very specific to very general. At most, the specific level, called the lowest level terms, there are more than in the lowest level there are more than 80,000 terms, which is parallel how information is communicated. These low level terms reflected how an observation might be reported in the practice. This level is directly supports assessment Medra terms within a user of database. Each member of next level perfect term is a distinct descriptor for a synonym, sign, disease, diagnosis, therapeutic effects, therapeutic induction, surgical or medical procedure, and medical, social, or family history characteristics. The finally HLGTS high level terms are the group of systematic it is the group of high systematic organ classes, which is grouping by the etiologies, which mainly contain infections, infestants, many infestant sites, many infestant or purpose. In addition, is the SOC of content in issue perform the product is the main content of social circumstances. So in simple word, the basic is a the in basic there are low level term which contain very feeling for example feeling QG. Then after that is the preferred term, for example nausea. High level term is a nausea and vomiting symptoms, and high level group term HLGTS mean gastrointestinal signs and symptoms and symptom organ classes, for example gastrointestinal disorder. These are the disease level academic. This is the, for example, this is the term which is which is given for an example for the from basic low level to the high level disorder. So the MEDRA is very important for various medical field or pharmaceutical field. Thank you for watching this video, guys.